morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and I just woke up. No, I didn't just wake up. I'm actually working out right now, but price has actually gotten to my point of interest. That's why I'm making this video right now. And by the way, today is 1st of June, so happy new month to you guys. And there's a trade setup I'm currently looking at on gold. Alright, so I want to see price hit my point of interest and I can take the trade to the downside. So let me just show you guys my chart. Alright, now guys, here is my chart on gold. So this is actually the 4-hour time frame. Now this rectangle box right here is a daily order block, a daily bearish order block. I want to see price get into it, give me a confirmation entry, then I can take the trade to the downside to actually take out this sell side liquidity right here. Now here is the sell side liquidity. So this low right here is actually a sell side liquidity. So if I take a trade right here, I'll be taking my take profits here, but my take partials are these lows. All right, now this was before when I posted it in my Telegram channel. I was actually marking out this 4-hour bearish order block, but when I look at the daily time frame, I realize that there's actually another order block right there. So I might be daily, which should be more what is it called? I've forgotten the word I should use right there. But that's what I'm actually looking at. But at the same time, I also have a trade set up on Euro USD. So when I see price drop to this bullish order block right here, then I can take a trade to the upside for Euro USD. Alright, I don't have anything on GBP USD, but I also have something on AED JPY. So this is AED JPY. I want to see price take out this sell side liquidity, hit this bullish order block right here, then I can take the trade to the upside. But this trade is actually a low probability trade. I also posted it in my Telegram channel. Now to join my Telegram channel, you can use the link in the description box below. So for this gold, I want to see a confirmation entry. So it has to make a low, then break this low, then I can confirm that okay, we want to go down. Alright, and the low I'm looking at is actually this low right here. So if it breaks this low energetically, then I'm going to wait for a confirmation entry, maybe a fair value gap or a bearish order block, then I can get into the trade. But right now there's no confirmation entry on gold. Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, I need to finish up my workout. After working out, then I'll see if I can find a confirmation entry or not. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next slide.
Alright guys, so this is where I want to take a trade on Euro USD right now. I know I told you guys I was going to take a trade from the 4-hour bullish order block, but right now New York session is where we are currently, and the London session rally to the upside. So I want to take a trade that is called New York continuation trade, which is when whatever happens in London, we have a continuation of the New York session. So I want to take a trade from this rectangle box to take my liquidity on this high right here. Alright guys, so I just found a confirmation entry on this Euro USD trade. As you can see, we have a shift of market structure to the upside on the 1 minute time frame. So right now I'm putting my limit order on my stop loss. Alright, so as you can see, I've done that already. Now let me just wait for price to hit me in and then maybe move to my TP or move to my stop loss. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so in case you didn't know guys, I also do laundry. This is what I use to take care of my bills and every other necessities I need to take care of right now, especially right now that the market is kind of crazy. I'm not really making profits from it. Even my profit account are not even past phase 2, not to talk of getting a payout. Alright, so this is another thing I do, and this actually helps me to actually stay off the chart sometimes. You know, after doing my analysis, I just stay off the chart and focus on other things. Right, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I also do laundry, so I don't only trade, I also have other business I do.
Alright guys, so today is Tuesday and the trade I took yesterday, which was Monday, actually resulted in a loss, and here's the result of the trade. Now I'm just realizing right now that we are in July, and the first week of July we actually have NFP news, and during July markets on the first week of July, the market is kind of crazy. You might take your stop loss and still go to your take profit. So it's actually called seek and destroy. Alright, so I won't be chasing price right now. I'm just gonna wait and chill. Let me take trades from the higher time frame, like the 4 hours and the daily time frame. That's where support is more stronger. Alright, now this is the reason why you should always wait for a confirmation entry before you enter any trade, no matter how beautiful, how reliable your strategy is. This was the gold trade I showed you guys in the previous slide. I'm going to wait for price to get here, then when I see a confirmation entry I can take this trade. The moment price got here, I didn't see any confirmation entry, so I just allowed the trade to do whatever it wants to do. And as you can see, as when I got in without waiting for a confirmation entry, it would have hit my stop loss, because this is where I would have put my stop loss. Alright, what's up guys, today is Saturday. By the time I'm making this video, I'm already done trading for this week. Now the only trade I took this week was the Euro USD trade I showed you guys in the previous slide when I was doing a screen record on my phone. That was the only trade I took, and that was the only trade that I lost this week. I didn't really take another trade. The Euro USD trade I showed you guys today, the first one I showed you guys, which was the 4-hour bullish order block, price actually got to my point of interest, but price did that on Thursday. When I saw it, that price actually got into my point of interest. It was already late, so I couldn't take that trade anymore. Alright, so I actually missed that one, but price has not hit my TP yet on that trade. But on Friday, I would have taken that trade if I wanted to, but Friday was actually bank holiday in the United States, so there was no reason for me to take trade on that day because it's going to be very choppy. Alright, so I didn't take it, and at the end of the day, price didn't really move very well. Alright, so let me show you guys my chart right now and explain to you guys what I mean more. So as you all know, this was the before, which I also showed you guys in the previous slide. I was gonna take a trade from this bullish order block right here. Now let me show you guys what actually happened. Now this is after. Alright, price hit my point of interest on Thursday, but I wasn't on my chart, so I missed it. Then on Friday was bank holiday, so I couldn't take the trade, and as you can see right now, it's almost close to my TP. Alright, so this is a missed opportunity, guys. So I missed this one. So that's all for this video, guys. I'm not gonna be taking any trade again this week. I'll wait for next week. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Alright.